What's going on, everyone? Right now I'm in Singapore. For those of you who don't know, Singapore is actually the most expensive country in the world right now. Don't let that stop you from coming here though, because it is really nice. It's only my second day and already it's a country I would consider coming back to. I feel like Singapore is like the destination you want to go to. It has tons of diverse people, tons of different kinds of foods. It's right by the water if you like that. Really good weather most of the time at least. They have a whole island of just like amusement parks, Universal Studios. I feel like this is like the place you want to go. Since the weather has cleared up a bit, I'm taking a little tour around the city. I'm at Gardens by the Bay right now. It's with all these kind of gardens all around me, clearly Gardens by the Bay. Hi, just one. Thank you. The top of the skywalk here literally looks like the Wookiee planet from Star Wars Kashyyyk. What about the droid attack on the Wookiees? The sun has gone down, which means I'm meeting up with my friends. We are going to the top of the Marina Bay Sands for the best view in the city. Did you drop your money? No.
I think he said left. So it's $20 and you can use it for drinks. Per person?
Yeah. Table for 7, please.
Table is free seating, first come, first served basis.
Are you good? I mean, the observation deck would be $23.
You know, guys, it's just one of those amazing nights. Thank you guys so much for watching. Honestly, it means so much to me. I'll see you guys soon.